This is Tony Balonies from YouTube, and I'm here today to tell you guys on how to use the ES4 Ninebot scooter, KickScooter. And so let's get started. So in order to turn it on, you would have to push the button for 1 second. It will power on. And here is the brakes. It's on this side. And this is where you use to accelerate. It will kick in. The electric battery will kick in after 2 seconds. And here's it'll tell you how much speed you're going. Right now it's stationary, so 0 miles per hour. But underneath it will show you the indicator of how much battery life is left. In order to turn on there's 3 different modes of the speed. So in order to do that, you're gonna have to double tap the power button. So that is standard mode. This is eco mode, and then this is sports mode. Okay, in order to turn it off, go on to the power button for 2 seconds. Okay, and here's the battery, the external battery. Here's the plug to charge it. So if you would open this lid right here, and then you can connect your external charger here. Behind here is so you push here, and also this one when you're going at a top speed, so you can brake fast enough. Okay. And here's a stand. You need to use a stand to hold the scooter in place. This is how to close it. So you push this up, put your feet right here. It will go up, and then push it down. Yeah, there you go. So this is how you can close it, and you can use the front wheel to roll the scooter. To where you need to go. Okay, so this is how you open it. So from the back, push your hand, push it, push on the back brake, and then you can lift up your scooter. It unclips, and you can lift it up. In order to get it properly secured, the back brakes and push up until you can't anymore. Then I would push this up, because sometimes you can step on it, and then you can collapse, and it'll be really dangerous when you're actually riding the scooter. So I recommend pushing this up. Okay, there we go. In order to activate the LED light in the front, just press on it once, and there we go, the light is on. Here you go, guys, this is a short video. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, please subscribe, like, and comment on the post. Thank you, bye bye.